where you guys can see this, but this is under the screen, and what you have is you've got a place for a pry tool on the side here and here. What you're going to do is put that pry tool in there, and then this part should come down. Super easy. And then you're going to have a wire or a connector here, and that's going to come out pretty easily. There's going to be a little tiny tab that you'll want to push down. Okay, there we go. So this is what that looks like that we just took off. Okay. Got myself a 10 mil, guys. Yep, 10 mil is much easier. Alright, so now that those are loose, I can probably just take them out by hand. There we go. Put those down. I'm gonna go ahead, pull the screen out. Pretty simple to get it out. So the connector has that little orange tab there, and I'm pretty sure what we have to do is pull that orange out. There we go. Okay, so the orange connector is out. So then I'm going to push down on this black one. Okay, there we go. That was a pretty difficult connector to get out, to be honest. Holy crap. Oof. Getting this piece off of the screen was pretty difficult. And the reason why was this tab right here. So this tab clicks in to under the screen. So essentially, if you're like this, you want to pull that little tab with like a pick tool like this. You want to pull that little tab. So that's what it looks like they want. So I'm gonna do that. So in the instruction manual, they didn't like really clearly show this, but you're supposed to actually kind of take this apart. So you've got these little clips here, and if there's one, there's two, take this piece off. Once that's off, this connector piece comes off, and then with that off, what you basically want to do is make sure this is logo side up. So next up, guys, what I want to do is take this sensor here, this ambient temperature sensor. I want to take that off. That's so much easier. There you go. Got my own tools. So this is the new part that they gave us. The temperature sensor is just going to go right on there and then screw right back in. Next up, what I'm going to do is plug this in. I'm supposed to zip tie it like right here. I don't know if you guys can see, but where they're both smooth, and so it's kind of pushes this long one back a little bit and zip tie it right there. So now once this bracket's on, what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab this plastic cover that they gave, and it's gonna go right over it and kind of sit in here. And then you're going to take the two original bolts that it came with and put those back. Alright, so now that those two bolts, the original bolts, are in there, I'm gonna snug them up just a little bit. Didn't it say though? Hold on. I don't think we're supposed to fully tighten these. Put the screen kind of near the cup holder section. Gonna put the screen down here and connect it. And then I'm gonna put this cover on. Got the screen to slide on, and now I'm putting the Allen key bolts that they provided in.